What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller, Moon's the Truck, and Ryan back here with another video. We're actually at Best Buy right now. We're getting some speakers for the Skyline that we're getting ready to toss in just a little bit. Let's go see what we can find. All right, so everywhere online said to go with the 6.5 circles. That's what we're doing. Pioneer. In the car, there's 4 mounting places on each speaker, so these should work. Fingers crossed. Take them back and toss them in. Yes. Push yourself in. All right, y'all, so we got our speakers. We're getting ready to take them back to the house and toss them in, dude. They weren't too bad. I think they're like 130 bucks.
Yeah.
We're gonna see.
Pioneers, boy.
We're gonna see. Yeah, yeah. Not the kickers, y'all. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Don't worry. So first, I'm gonna give you guys a little before of these speakers. I swear to God, it's like a quarter of one speaker. All right, is it? I locked it. All right, I locked it again. Yeah. So this is with it almost all the way up on my phone and the speakers. This is the flattest, shittiest audio I have ever heard in my life. Now you guys know. Time to change speakers. There's a couple different screws we have to remove. There's 2 on this side of the door. There's gonna be 1 under this little handle. You guys can see a little cap, take that off. And then there's gonna be a screw over here and a screw over here, and then just the clips. So I'm gonna take those off, then we'll take door cover off. Yeah. We got our 5 screws out. The last thing we have to pop out is the little door trim. And now our door card should be ready to come off.
Ooh. Don't break the clips.
I'm trying not to fold it.
Don't break the clips. Oh, it's kind of coming. I feel like something's holding it still.
Yeah. All right.
Fairly simple.
Yeah, on the back of the door card here, there's a couple basic clips for the window motors. We're gonna pop those off as well.
Okay. This is the bad speaker.
Yeah, bad
it
speaker
looks kind of fancy.
1. To take these little clips off right here, you're just gonna press your thumb down and then pull out. Looks like we got 4 screws and get this old shit out of here, man.
Yeah, if it'll focus. There we go. Nah, that's good.
On the back, simple positive and negative. For my car, the blue and gray striped wire is gonna be the positive, and the other black wire here is gonna be the negative.
It can vary between different cars.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Old speaker is out. So we just opened up the new speakers. It came with wiring for these little clips, but thankfully my car has already been converted. If you do need to do this, you just splice positive to positive, negative to negative. Since it's gonna be behind this plastic piece, we don't need the cover.
No cover needed.
As you guys can hear, the speakers work just fine. Positive is gonna be on the right, negative is gonna be on the left for these speakers. Put all this back together, hopping over to the passenger side. Ooh. All right, so on the passenger side, 2 screws there, 2 on the bottom, and there's actually gonna be 1 more behind the window switch. We're all good to do this side now.
It was either Pioneer kicker or the $30 Kenwood speakers.
Like 130 bucks or something for 2, or for all 4. It wasn't bad, price-wise.
Japanese speaker. Oh.
On my new speaker, there's a smaller little connection here, and we have to splice the connector for that smaller connection. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that.
So you're splicing one of them?
Yep, so I'm just cutting off the 2 ends. I now have the end we're gonna use, and the wire coming from the car that we're gonna use.
Okay.
That is the funniest thing ever, dude. I've never even thought about just burning the wire.
I didn't even know what he was doing when he did it. I just didn't, I don't know.
If you do not have wire strippers, apparently...
My technician friend informed me this is not a viable way to do this, but if you guys want to, you just kind of tie these around each other. Once they're stripped off, then you tape it, and you're good to go.
Yeah. Yeah, it works, bro.
Now we have the right connection.
Yeah.
Pop that bead on in, and we're good.
Awesome.
And last but not least, we have our little door handle cover here, and our new speakers will be in, dude, just in the front. I'm not gonna be doing the rears in this video because I gotta figure out the wiring since this car didn't come with the rear speakers. All right, y'all, so we got the new speakers in, got some non-copyright. Definitely 8 billion times better than what it was before. Ryan, Stockton, and I are getting ready to head over to Danny's to put together his transmission. So that should be the last video of putting it together before the clutch and the flywheel, and then it should be good to go. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Skyline's back. So much more content right around the corner. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. These speakers come where the cover can just doesn't. These speakers come where